I just saw that Emma Stone recently talked about how she uses the gelatin trick to get ready for red carpet events, and I have to say, I'm intrigued. Apparently, she drinks a mixture of gelatin and water every morning to help her body feel more balanced. The gelatin trick is all about using unflavored gelatin to support digestion and promote a sense of lightness in the body. When you take gelatin, it helps to soothe and calm your digestive system, which can lead to a range of benefits, from reduced bloating to improved energy levels. My friend has been doing the gelatin trick for weeks now, and she says it's been a total game changer for her morning routine. She loves how it helps her wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. If you're curious to try the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for a simple recipe to get you started. And if you have any questions, hop over to the pinned comment where I've shared some of my favorite tips for making the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine.